Hey kids, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to learn the name of animals and their homes. जैसे कि हम सब अपने घरों में रहते हैं, एनिमल्स भी अपने घर में रहते हैं। तो आज हम इस वीडियो में सीखेंगे सभी एनिमल्स के नाम और उनके घरों के नाम। So let's start the video and enjoy this video and have a lot of fun. So the first animal is dog. And dog lives in a kennel. Dog lives in a kennel. Next animal is monkey. And monkey lives on trees. Monkey lives on trees. Next animal is bear. And bear lives in a cave. A bear lives in a cave. The next animal is cow. And cow lives in a shed. Cow lives in a shed. Next animal is tiger. And tiger lives in a den. Tiger lives in a den. Next animal is horse. And horse lives in a stable. Horse lives in a stable. Next animal is camel. And camel lives in a desert. Camel lives in a desert. Next animal is lion. Lion. And lion lives in a den. Lion lives in a den. Next animal is elephant. Elephant. And elephant lives in forest. Elephant lives in forest. Next animal is pig. And pig lives in a sty. Pig lives in a sty or pigsty. Next animal is rabbit. Rabbit. And rabbit lives in a burrow. Burrow. Rabbit lives in a burrow. Next animal is rat. Rat. And rat lives in hole. Hole. Rat lives in a hole. Next animal is duck. Duck. And duck lives in a pond. Duck lives in a pond. Next animal is hen. Hen. And hen lives in a coop. Coop. Hen lives in a coop. Next animal is spider. And spider lives in a web. Spider lives in a web. Next animal is ant. And ant lives on anthill. Ant lives on anthill. Next is birds. Birds. Birds lives in their nest. Birds lives in their nest. This is a fish and fish lives in the water. Fish lives in water. Next animal is sheep and sheep lives in a pen. Sheep lives in a pen. Crocodile. Crocodile lives in swamp. Crocodile lives in swamp. Fox. Fox. And fox lives in a den. Fox lives in a den. Giraffe. Giraffe lives in a savanna. Giraffe lives in savanna. Now that's a bee. Bee lives in a beehive. Bee lives in a beehive. Cat. And cat lives in a cat house. Cat lives in a cat house. Deer. Deer lives on grasslands. Deer lives on grasslands. Snail. Snail lives under the shell. Penguin lives under the burrows. Penguin lives under the burrows. Next animal is a frog, and frog lives in the pond. Frogs lives in the pond. Next animal is snake, and snake lives in a hole. Snake lives in a hole. Donkey lives in a stable. Donkey lives in a stable. Panda lives in bamboo forest. Panda lives in bamboo forest. Kangaroo lives in hollow trees. Kangaroo lives in hollow trees. Zebra lives in safari. Zebra lives in safari. Koala lives on the tree. Koala lives on the trees. Hippopotamus lives on the river banks. Hippopotamus lives on the river banks. Yak lives on the hills. Yak lives on the hills. Shark lives under the sea. Shark lives under the sea. Next is porcupine. Porcupine lives under the burrows. Porcupine lives under the burrows. Buffalo lives in a shed. Buffalo lives in a shed. Thank you. Thanks for watching. Do like, share and subscribe. Have a great day.